How would you like to make money online? Copy and paste, an easy and fast way to do it. Welcome if this is your first time to my YouTube channel. My name is Andre, and on this channel I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways how I can share my knowledge so we can help you where you can start to earn money too. So maybe you're looking for a way how to make money where you can be able to stay at home with your friends or be with your family, start doing some traveling. Check out my #1 recommendation in the description for a way to sign up for that free training. And for this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money online, copy and paste, easy and a fast way. So if you're looking for some extra money and you're looking for a way how you can make some money right now, this is going to be the video. And if you haven't checked out my other videos yet, feel free to come through here. So if this video is not the one for you, there's always more videos. So this right here, you could try it out and see if it works. And now the website that I'm going to be talking about where you can copy and paste is a website that is called clicksfly.com. So clicksfly.com, I should say, is a website how you can earn money just by sharing links, just by shortening links, and just by spreading it all over. And as you can see, join and earn on every link you shorten and share up to $150. So every 10,000 views, you'll make $150. Now, you always want to find videos that are viral. You always want to find things that people are going to click on and that are, very attractive and people want to engage. So the more engagement on your links, the better chance you have of getting these out there. Now, I'm going to share with you how you could do that. Now, come over here and you can sign up. I'm just going to show you create an account, shorten the link, earn money. 1, 2, 3. Copy and paste links all over and where you can generate an income. So what is ClicksFly? ClicksFly is the highest paying URL shortener and completely free tool where you can create short links, which apart from being free, you get paid. So now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links. So that's the beauty about this. You can, how much do I earn? So with ClicksFly, you create an account, and then once you create an account, you can make money. Also, you can make money as well being a referral. So that means you can invite your friend, you can invite family members, and you can give them your affiliate link so that way you can earn money as well. So that's 2 ways how to earn money. You can copy and paste, share links all over the place, or you can get an additional along with copy and pasting. You can sign people up with the referral program. So you're required to earn only $3 before you will be paid. So once you earn $3, then you're going to get paid. Of course, this is not going to give you like super duper rich. And the good thing is they pay people through PayPal, Paytm, Bitcoin, and many more. So I think Paytm and Bitcoin, they're like international. Of course, you can use Bitcoin in the US. But if you got a PayPal and you're in the US, sign up for it. People all over the world, you can sign up for PayPal as well, Paytm, and Bitcoin. So once you do that, I'm going to go over to the payment and proof that you see. Again, you can sign up for these. So these are some payment proof that people actually getting paid. Lots of people are getting paid using this copy and paste method. So I'm just sharing with you that this thing actually do pay out. So the payout rates, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So minimum $3 before you can get paid. Weekly and even monthly, you get paid like right away. So you can get paid in Bitcoin, Payoneer, PayPal, Paytm, which is in India. That's good. Bank transfer in India as well. Payer, Tez, UPI. I don't know some of those, but I'm sure some of you watching this probably know. So if you come through here, you can see like the different countries that they represent. So just come through here and find it. So people in the US, I'm talking to you. If you got a desktop or a mobile phone, you get like $16 you earn per 1,000 views. So earnings per 1,000 views, you get like $16. You know, that right there is pretty cool. 1,000 views, so you get 10,000 views, you're looking at $160. Boom, right in your account. So you want to find viral videos. You want to find videos that are going out, and I'm going to share with you how you can do this. Now, first thing first, what you can do, you can go to YouTube and you can find really funny videos. So I would find a funny video. Everybody likes something that's going to make them laugh. Everybody loves that. So I would come on here, I would find a funny video. Funny videos 2019, why not? Click on this. And these are like this right here, 415. This happened like 3 days ago, so you know this is fresh. You want to find the ones that are brand new, just, you know, don't have like too many million views, because people will probably already see this. So you want to grab the one that are below 1 million, grab this link. Once you copy the link from that YouTube video, the next thing you have to do, you want to go back over to this specific website. And then once you sign up for it, you're going to take that URL link, you're going to put it right here. Once you create it, well, I haven't registered yet, but once you create it, they're going to give you a specific link that you've created. So once you put it in here, it's going to be a shorter link. I would take that link. I'll put it on my Facebook. I'll find funny groups. I'll put it on Facebook fan page, sharing it on Twitter, sharing it in Telegram group, WhatsApp group, and I would just write something. I'll be like, check out this funny video. This is hilarious. And I put some laughing face. Ha ha ha. Just send it on my WhatsApp, send it on Telegram group. I'll put it on YouTube. I'll go on Quora. So I'll just take that link and I would just spread it all over the place. Put it on Twitter. Now, one link is not going to do the justice. You want to create as many links as possible. Take that link and just start putting it out there so you can start to get the views. So that way you can, you know, get up to at least 1,000 views where you can earn whatever amount they decide to pay you in your specific country. So that's all you got to do. Make money online, just copy and paste and just do that type of stuff. And I'm telling you, you're going to be ready to go. So try this out, see if it works. I found this website and I decided, hey, I want to share with you as well, because, you know, I'm always trying to find ways how I can make it better for you. So check this out, make some money. Minimum is $3, maximum is $150 to get paid. So just go out there, try this, make some money, copy and paste in. And hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment, share, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. All right, see you on the next video. Peace.